This night market is so cool. I'm gonna film it and just walk through it. And then we're basically gonna go over to Jianghan Street. So that's the station if you want to see that. There's also a Jianghan station. That's main pedestrian street. We're gonna walk over there too. So just kind of stay tuned. We're gonna do like half of the market, and then we're gonna go to this pedestrian street. And it's about 11:30 at night on a Thursday night, just so you kind of know. So if you wanted to come out here yourself, come right out of that station. Wuhan, China. This is my last video of the Wuhan series. So I've had a whole series, 18 total. So this is the last one I'm uploading, and that was it. But you can see lots of my other Wuhan ones because I have 17 other ones. So if this was intriguing and interesting, you can even, when you get to the end, you'll see two little thumbnails, and they'll go back to video 17 and 16, and you can just keep going back and catching all 18 if you'd like. And that's my final one for Wuhan. Hope you enjoyed the series. Make some comments if you did. Okay, so we're in Wuhan. That's the station. You can come out at nighttime or anytime. I don't know if this is going on in the daytime or not. I just have no idea. But we're gonna walk down it at nighttime because it's kind of interesting. The lights are just about perfect, so it's a great place to film. You see, there's actually a lot of like tarot. There's readers for fortune things, what do you call those? Oh, are they starting to close a little bit? This might actually be closing. This guy's bringing his tent down. Then here they're doing like tarot. Oh, there's a lottery. Fruit. So some of them are being torn down. So I guess this might close around the same time that the train station closes. So if you did come 11:30 and they start to close. And again, it's a Thursday night. And I don't know the name of this market, but it's 1 block away from let's go all the way down. 1 block away from main pedestrian street, which we're gonna go down in a little bit. Prices are 50 for 2. 50 is like $7, so that's like $4 American dollars. 35 for 1, 35 yuan, about 4 American dollars, more or less. Shoes, 39 yuan, maybe $4. Okay. So the Wuhan night market, and it looks like only some of them are closing, so a lot of them are still open. So we'll see what we're gonna do. Shoes. Let's see. Across this road. Then we're gonna keep on going. Okay. So these clothes are only 25, 29, 39. So those are really good prices. I think those are like lottery stuff. Yeah, you can kind of hear some of them are closing down. They got games. So maybe the prime time could be right when the sun goes down, like around evening. Now it's 11:30, which is maybe a better time to come. It's not so crowded. Okay, so we're gonna walk down and take a right and go to the main pedestrian street in a moment. Depending on, we're basically parallel with this nice pedestrian street. So when I get a chance, I'll take a look to the right. I did do a separate video where I filmed this whole street going the other direction. So this market keeps on going down, but I'm gonna go the other direction. So I'm gonna go this way. And this street goes towards a main pedestrian street. So I want to kind of show you that. All these bike rentals to the right. But if you want to see that full street all the way, then that would be a video that I'll attach at the end. And you can click on it. So I usually do thumbnails at the very end of the videos. So I'll put the 2 last Wuhan videos that I filmed, put them there. Pedestrian street is parallel with our other street. So we're going to take a left when we get up here a little bit more. And this is just a street in between the two. Ice cream. I was here earlier. These are really good tacos. Okay, so the main pedestrian street is straight here. And I'm gonna walk down that. Huh, this is like Changsha. Looks like stinky tofu. Black stinky tofu from Changsha. And I was kind of curious what this would look like at this time of night. It's about 11:30. Looks a little bit quiet. Quieter. It was pretty busy earlier, and then I think people leave when the trains close, and I think the trains they're still running because I started the video there and I saw the train come in, but I think it doesn't stay open much longer. So I think people are going to be going for the trains. Looks like I can see, well, that looks like they're working over there. I think that's train opening maybe. Okay. What are we at? 8 minutes. So I'm just gonna come over and end in a minute. The streamers. We're gonna end our video shortly. So yeah, it does seem a little bit darker, a little bit more quiet, kind of closing down a little bit. So I'm gonna come to an ending here. So yeah, anyways, it's a little bit late, 11:30 at night, but at least you kind of see what it looks like. 11:30 night on a Thursday, so take that in mind. I just see kind of a big cluster of people straight ahead, so I'm gonna walk into that cluster and then I'm gonna end the video. And it might be my last video for Wuhan, so I will label it, let everybody know the sequence of them. Tomorrow's Friday. Looks like they're setting up a stage over here to the left, to the right. Yeah, it's actually quite significantly darker than it was about 30 to 40 minutes ago, or an hour ago when I came down here earlier. And that does look like it's a stage that they're setting up. And it is a Thursday night right now, so that might be set up for Friday. Then we got a giant open space right here. And I think this is going to be the end of the video. So that's it for Wuhan. Some beautiful architecture on the street. And if you go all the way down, it kind of goes toward the waterfront. And it has like a Bund reference, like the Shanghai. And I'll end the video. So you got a little taste of a couple of things in Wuhan in this video. So hopefully you got a better idea of what it looks like a little bit. All right. Cool architecture.